Hello, in this video, I will show you how to find relevant Reddit discussions, summarizes pain points, and drafts helpful replies for manual posting. Go to botsify.com, click on Create Agent, select Agent, and enter name. Give the bot the following prompt that has been used or adjust as per your requirements in order to get access to Firecrawl web scraper. First, visit the website shown firecrawl.dev/app/API keys. Next, you will see a screen like this. Create an API key and copy it. The link you see below, replace the highlighted curly brackets with your API key and copy it. Copy this complete link inclusive of your API key. Paste the Firecrawl key, give it a suitable name, and add it. It first asks for specifications. Provide it all your required details and wait for the results. As you see, we got a complete detailed report. Let's try out another example. Once again, the bot showed its magic. Build it yourself to get the best of it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.